Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix the error code 1259 on the Canon PIXMA printer. The model we're using today is the E3370. This fix may work for other printers as well, so if yours isn't this exact model but it's part of the PIXMA series, then this should be the right video for you. If it is also the E3370, then we have the same printer, so that's good. And so, just to explain how to fix the issue, what the issue is in fact is that the printer thinks there may be something in the way of the insert tray for the paper, which is this sort of slide at the back. So what the first step of the solution is to fix this would be just to lift it up and have a little look down the back to make sure there's nothing there. This could be the main reason for it not working. There may be some paper lodged in there, or a component may be out of place. Make sure that the slider here is at the right position. So if you're printing for A4, A3 and smaller, then you may need to adjust that. If that isn't the issue, then you may need to just check underneath the whole tray just to make sure that nothing has fallen in there, maybe in the way or maybe causing a problem for the printer, which appears to be okay. So you can then close that. And just as a final check, it's worth having a look at the bottom of the printer where the ink cartridges are, just to make sure that there's nothing in the way. As you can see, the ink cartridge can slide from left to right fairly easily, so there can't be anything blocking the path of it. And this is a great sign. So what you're going to want to do now is just close that back up. If you are still displaying the 1259 error code on your LCD screen, you just press OK to let it know that you've registered it. And then I would recommend that you just turn off your printer, give it a few more moments just to shut down properly, and then once that has happened, then you can turn it back on, reset the computer, and then print whatever you need to, and it should not display the 1259 error code anymore. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and please also check out the other videos if you have any other concerns of your Canon PIXMA or other models of printer, as they may be helpful for you. Have a good day, and thank you.